In this video, I will show you how to create a blog on Wix. So as you can see, this is a blog website. Head over right here to your blog in order to click on that, and then you should be able to see in here overview. So if you want to create a blog post, you can head over and click on this new post right around here. And then after that, this will open in here the editor of this particular blog. You can try AI tools for this one as well. We have also in here AI suggested post topics. So for example, let's head over and then using here this. You can click on this one and write it with AI if you want. Now it will also open in here this. Click on next option. Put in here your preferences. So let's put in your casual and the number of images can be 2. Click on this next right here again and it will ask you what kind of title you want for this particular blog. Now click on this create post right around here. Now you can actually just use anything and you don't need to use AI if you don't want to. If you have something on your mind and you want it to be your own, you can head over and add in here your own catchy title and start writing your own post right around here. This one you can also use AI and you can also not use AI depending on your liking. As you can see, we have now in here a blog created. So we can head over and then click on this publish option right around here in order to publish this to your blog. So that's all right here. And as you can see, it's actually loading. You can also publish it to your social and you can create an email campaign.